you wake up every morning, you's a winner, yeah.
What's going on, guys? It's your girl Razor in the ding, and welcome back to another video. If you're new, hey boo, and if you're returning, what's up? In today's video, I'll be blow drying my hair, which I haven't done in a while. I was trying to tell you guys when was the last time I blow dried my hair, but I can't even remember myself. So it's been a while. And I usually only blow dry my hair on 2 occasions. If I want to trim or if I want to try a stretched hairstyle, or even though I do have my no heat stretched technique, today is one of those occasions where I'm going to be trying a stretched hairstyle. You guys will see that video next. And I also want to get a little dust in, a little trim something in there. My hair has been prepped, includes clips of how my hair was prepped. I also like to put it up into a bun to stretch it out some more. A top knot bun, twist and tuck. This is just to stretch my hair until I'm ready to blow dry. I gotta change into some dry clothes because it's been a day. We need to be set and comfortable and ready. If you watched my previous video, it started with that wash day deep conditioner into today. You guys saw how I prepped my hair. That's how we ended up with these twists, which we're going to unravel. So let's start with this twist at the back. So my hair is detangled and I already have in my heat protectant product. I'm going to add some more heat protectant product. I have a shine gloss serum. I'm going to use a little bit of this. Start on the ends and work my way up. This gets my hair really smooth, shiny, and more on the straighter side. So what are we gonna be blow drying my hair with? I don't know, you tell me. I'm gonna be using the Revlon blow dry brush. I have used this on my channel before. This blow dries my hair quick and easy. We'll be done with blow drying in no time, no matter how much hair you have. And if you do have a lot of hair, I would recommend this. I haven't used the Rev Air as yet. I don't know if I'll ever get a chance to use it because maybe that price though. But that seems to be working really good for everyone else. I'm gonna start on high heat. You guys see the movement? The ends don't have to be extremely straight because of the hairstyle I'm going to do. And my hair doesn't have to be too straight either. But this gets the hair really straight and stretched. Only thing is, you have to be very strategic with blow drying the end. So let me continue doing the rest of my hair. My hair is actually hanging on my leg. But yeah, let's finish my hair. One side is done. Hair looks and feels so good. It's getting late and it's gonna get dark and you guys won't be able to see anything in the dark. So I'm gonna come back tomorrow and show you guys what my hair looks like at the end. And you guys know I like to do my little Bantu knots. As I told you guys, I blow dried my hair. Oh, these are the curls from Bantu Knot in my hair. But I didn't blow dry my hair to Bantu Knot my hair for a style. That wasn't a style. The work week is about to start and you know we have to go for something a little bit more basic that can last us for the entire week. You guys see my hair is already sweating out. The curls are already getting poofy and dropping and getting frizzy. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. Stay tuned for my next video. See you soon. Bye.